Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee quickly. First, select a brewing method known for speed, such as instant coffee or a simple pour-over. Next, ensure your water is ready and your coffee grounds are measured out before you begin. A fast-heating electric kettle can significantly reduce your waiting time. These initial steps are crucial for an efficient morning routine, getting you to your perfect cup faster. For the absolute quickest coffee, instant is your best friend. Simply boil about 8 ounces of water for a standard serving. While the water heats, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of your preferred instant coffee to your mug. Once the water is hot, pour it directly over the coffee granules and stir until fully dissolved. This method takes less than 2 minutes from start to sip, perfect for busy mornings. If you prefer a fresher taste, without much added time, a pour-over is excellent. Start by grinding 20 grams of coffee to a medium-fine consistency. Heat 300 milliliters of water to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your filter and grounds, then slowly pour the hot water over them, aiming for a total brew time of 2 to 3 minutes. This balances speed with a superior flavor profile. To further optimize your quick coffee routine, always keep your brewing equipment clean. A well-maintained machine works more efficiently. Store your coffee beans in an airtight container away from light and heat to preserve freshness, which impacts flavor and brewing consistency. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, a book can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for a link to this book, as well as other great deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.